Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can do a color grade for your video with the CapCut application. First, you just need to open the CapCut application, and the next thing you need to do is just go open the project that you want to use right here. So I already got this project, and this project is a raw video. You can see that the color is quite have a bad and not engaging at all. So if you want to do a color grade, you just need to tap into the clip that you want to adjust, and now just need to take a look on this button feature and slide into the left side until you found adjust, and then you just need to tap into this adjust, and now you have a chance to do a color grade for the video. First, you will see a brightness, and now you can adjusting here. If you have less light on your video, drag it into the right side to add more light. And now jump into the contrast, and this contrast you can add it into the right side to make everything is just have more color in a perfect and high intensity. And the next, I would like to suggest you to jump into these shadows, because shadows also take a big part for the color grade. And then you just need to drag it into the left side just to add the shadow. And now that could be optional. You can do for the temperature. Here is about adding the yellow color and blue color, which one that you want to achieve. If you want to have a warm video, drag it into the right side, so that could be adding more yellow or red color on it. But then if you want to have it cool, you just need to drag it to the left side so that the blue one could be more dominated into the video. And now back again into the sharpen. You can also add the sharpen here so that your video could be more sharp here. And the saturation, it could be similar with the temperature, but then it makes the color inside of the video more intense. And now after you adjusting everything, just go this checklist button. If you haven't had it satisfied, you can also add inform filter. You can find a lot of filter here, just in an instant way to get the best color grade that you have. But again, doing the adjusting for the color grade, it could be helping your video. So the effects is just for a additional effect just to make it better. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.